We, the students of class 12B, are here to demonstrate the double circulation in our heart. Double circulation is the process in which the blood goes through our heart twice. The students wearing the blue uniform are the deoxygenated blood, and the students wearing the red uniform are the oxygenated blood, and the students wearing white uniform are the valves. Open, close, open, close, open, close. The deoxygenated blood enters our heart from vena cava to auricle. Then it moves into ventricle. And then from ventricle it moves to pulmonary artery to get oxygenated by our lungs. Then the oxygenated blood comes to our heart from pulmonary vein. And then from pulmonary vein it moves into auricle. And then to ventricle. And then to ventricle it moves to aorta to be distributed to all parts of our body.
We will study about blood vascular system, which is also known as heart circulatory system. You know that heart is located in the thoracic cavity between the lungs. Fine. And heart consists 4 chambered, 2 atrium, 2 ventricle. Right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. सो अब हम लोग जानेंगे कि कैसे ब्लड एंटर करता है हार्ट में और कैसे ब्लड एग्जिट करता है. सो फर्स्ट डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड एंटर इनटू द आर्ट्रियम from superior vena cava and from inferior vena cava. superior vena cava अपर बॉडी के अपर पार्ट से डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड लेके आता है और inferior vena cava बॉडी के लोअर पार्ट से डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड लेके आता है और एंटर करता है तुम्हारा कहाँ पे, राइट आर्ट्रियम में. फ्रॉम राइट आर्ट्रियम इट एंटर इनटू द राइट वेंट्रिकल थ्रू ट्राइकस्पिड वाल्व थ्रू एवी सेप्टम. ठीक है, right anterioventricular septum which is controlled by tricuspid valve. 3 flaps present here, 1 flaps, 2 flaps and 3 flaps is present here, so it is known as tricuspid valve. Now from ventricle deoxygenated blood is pumped through pulmonary artery. Fine, pumped through pulmonary artery and from here through pulmonary artery deoxygenated blood is carries to lungs. कहाँ पे डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड कहाँ पे लेके जाया जा रहा है, लंग्स के पास. अब लंग्स में क्या होगा, ऑक्सीजनेशन होगा ब्लड में. ठीक है, ब्लड जब ऑक्सीजनेटेड हो जाता है तो पल्मोनरी वेन ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड को लेके आता है और एंटर करता है कहाँ पे, लेफ्ट आर्ट्रियम में. कहाँ पे, लेफ्ट आर्ट्रियम में. फ्रॉम लेफ्ट आर्ट्रियम इट एंटर इनटू लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल. And this AV septum, arterioventricular septum, is controlled by bicuspid valve because here 2 flaps is present, which so it is known as bicuspid valve, which is also known as mitral valve. Now from left ventricle pumped out from here with the help of semilunar valve of aorta. Through this it enter into aorta and from aorta it is carries to the all part of the body. This oxygenated blood through aorta carries through aorta to all part of the body and it is controlled by semilunar valve. This pulmonary artery also consists semilunar valve and aorta also consists semilunar valve. Why this semilunar valve प्रिवेंट बैकवर्ड फ्लो ऑफ ब्लड. मान लीजिए वेंट्रिकल से ब्लड जब यहाँ पे से पुश करके आयोटा में जाता है तो जब ये आयोटा फुल हो जाता है तो वापस ब्लड आने का भी चांसेस रहता है, बट ये नहीं हो पाता है. इट इज प्रिवेंटेड बाय सेमिलुनर वाल्व. यहाँ पे ये वाल्व बंद हो जाता है जिसकी वजह से बैकवर्ड फ्लो नहीं हो पाता है. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट ब्लड वास्कुलर सिस्टम. बाय.